Interested in Chinese on bone marrow. I should have got that for you. That's a health concerns. You might Google them. Health concerns. Got a good formula there. The problem in botanicals, I'm not sure what herbs are great for bone marrow. Because the bone marrow, all this, again, bunch of cells. To be honest with you, I like the velvet antler, the adaptogens for that. But look up health concerns. The formula is called Marrow Matters. Marrow Matters. There's no books that I know of that in terms of botanical work, and I've been to about 4 herbal colleges, and I'm studying probably 3 or 4 currently, and I really haven't read of any herbs that are specific for bone marrow. I don't know that we know that. If we do, that's good. You can turn me on to it then. But again, I think if you think of the health of the cell and you realize the blood and lymph, I think it doesn't matter what cell you're talking about. That's how simple I think this is. It's nice to have these herbs, though, that really kick up the function of cells, and I think the adaptogen herbs are going to be real key here in doing that. That's why I like I have an ultimate immune, and that ultimate immune I consider very bone marrow-ish. And especially as for this gentleman that has Lou Gehrig's, I'd be pumping that ultimate immune down because of the ginsengs and the velvet antler. At the same time, it's a little expensive because antler is quite expensive by itself. I have a bottle here, and I think this bottle of antler goes for $80 or $90. And it's just that, this is a technique that people raise deer or elk, and in the velvet stage of the antlers, they cut that and use that antler stage. They don't hurt the animals, but in terms of regeneration of tissue, it's quite good, and doesn't any effect that we know of negatively on the animals. I only have a couple of those things like that I use. But when I see people in wheelchairs, and I'm thinking, okay, I cut a little bit of an antler off, which doesn't hurt anybody, and yet I can really rebuild the nervous system and help these people out of chairs. I'm going to go with helping these people out of chairs. Now, I know it's their karma and blah, 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 but my karma is to be here and assist them to unwind their karma.